Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 5, Chotu's House. So let's begin with this chapter now. Here is the image and let's see what it says. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. So here we can now understand that the story name is Chotu's House. The first main character we are talking about Chotu, and he has came to Mumbai for first time. So we can see that four different images here, and let's describe the what all the images showing. So the basically in the first image we can see a busy road and maybe this boy over here Chotu, who is confusedly looking at the road. Then, in the second image, we can see that it's raining as well, and two more children along with Chotu. Then, in the third, we can see that Chotu is having rest and sleeping. In the fourth, we can see that the Chotu is preparing something to eat. So, I guess these are the points which the picture is trying to tell us. And we can also see that Chotu leaves that small area over here inside this, and when he is hungry he is trying to cook something. Now let's see what it actually says. So here two more pictures again. This can be number 5 as well as the 6. So we see that again the same picture as the first one, a road. And in the sixth picture, he is talking to his friend. So these are the assumptions about the picture. Now let's see the what is actually happening. Study the pictures carefully and answer the following. First, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Chotu has come to Mumbai for the first time. He has no place to stay in Mumbai. When Chotu saw the pipe, he thought that the pipe is a very good place for him to stay because he would not have to pay any rent for staying there. Moreover, no one would send him away from there. The pipe would protect him from strong winds, rain, cold, and heat. How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe as his home. He must have slept in the pipe, cooked his food outside it, and sat around it for a chat with his friends. Third, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area into the following parts: a place for cooking, a place for sleeping, a place for drying clothes, a place for storing water, and a place for guests and friends. Number 4. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Chotu will like to spend most of his time in the place kept for guests and friends. Now, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Just like Chotu, Monu has also come to Mumbai for the first time, and he too has no place to stay. Moreover, Chotu wanted a friend to stay with him. Therefore, Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe.